Hi everyone, this is a short experiment for acid-base titration. In the flask you have to take HCl and the burette you have to take sodium hydroxide. You have to add a few drops of phenolphthalein indicator to the titration flask. In the next step you have to start dropwise addition of sodium hydroxide to the titration flask. You will observe a pink color as the endpoint reach. As soon as the endpoint reach, you will observe a pink color. You will observe, keep watching a pink color. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please watching my videos. Thank you.